What are the 6 pillars of radical well-being? 1. It occurs through a trusted partnership between you and your professional healthcare team. 2. It's shedding old pains and beliefs that no longer serve your highest good. 3. It's using natural, evidence-based practices to release trauma from your spirit, body, and mind. 4. It's gently shifting unhealthy habits to attract joy, happiness, contentment, gratitude, and peace. 5. It's empowerment through guided lifestyle shifts to prevent any future trauma from ever taking hold. And 6. It's a metamorphosis from simply surviving to thriving within healthy wholeness, perhaps for the first time in your life.